Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. In this video, we are going to discuss about remove duplicates value in Pyspark. So this is the agenda of video. So basically, there are two functions in Pyspark. With the help of that, we can remove duplicates. So first is distinct. So Pyspark distinct function is used to remove the duplicate rows, all columns from the data frame. And second is drop duplicate. It is also used to drop rows based on selected one or more multiple columns. So we can select here as well, like one or multiple columns, or even we can use for all the columns. Okay, we don't need to mention specific columns. So let me try to explain you with one of the examples. So let's say we have this data frame, this data set, department table or department data frame, where if you guys see we have this 30 and 40 department numbers are repeating. So here, after removing duplicate values, you will able to see this result. Okay, how we will do this? Let's try to understand in Databricks. So let me open the Databricks. So I will, yeah, now I will write a Pyspark code to remove the duplicates. So I have this file, department CSV. So let me copy the path of this one. So let's say path equals to this one, and then let me assign into one of the RDDDF and spark dot read dot CSV and path. I will type header equal to true because I want to see the header on first row, and then df dot show. So now let me run this. Okay. So after running, you can clearly see this 30 and 40 are repeating. Now let me show you how we can remove. What is the syntax? So first let's use distinct. Okay. So what I can write here, let's say dist rdd, and then let me remove this. After that, df dot distinct. So I can simply use this distinct clause, and after that I have assigned this value in the dist rdd dist dot show. Let me execute this using shift enter. So see, now I have this four columns. Okay. So now 30 and 40 are not repeating. Okay. Now another command, with the help of that we can remove. So for that I can use another RDD drop, and I can type df dot drop duplicates. Okay. And here drop dot show. Yeah. Let me run this. So see, I have two results now. Okay. So what I can do, I can write df.show. It will give the duplicate records, and after that, disk.show. It will give the unique records, and after that, job.show. Okay. Now let me run this three. Proceed. In the first, we are getting the duplicate records, and in the second one, we are getting the non-duplicate records, and in the third as well, we are getting the non-duplicate records. Okay. So I hope it is clear what we have used df.distinct and df.drop duplicates. Okay. Now let me show you if you need to, drop the specific column, if you need to assign a specific column. So let me show you with another data set. So let me copy this. This time I will import the employee CSV. Okay. Path is fine. Let me first run this to show you. Okay, so we have this. Okay, now let me assign one column. So if you remember, with the drop duplicate, we can use one or multiple columns. So let's use first column. So what I will do, df1 equals to, let me remove this, df1 equals to df dot drop duplicates. Okay, and I'm assigning one of the column, let's say dptn. Okay, let me run this, df1 dot show. Okay, sorry, I need to assign this into the square bracket. Yeah, let me run this. So see, now it has randomly taken one record of each department and put the distinct value. Okay, similarly, if I need to use multiple columns, so I can just put comma here and I can type, let's say, job. So see, I have got different job and department. Okay, so like this, you can type multiple columns. You can just put comma. Let's say I'm looking ename as well. So if I put ename, so ename is separate. So you will get all the records. Let me run this and show you. So see, I have got multiple reports, all the reports. So earlier for 20 department, we have 3 reports. Now we have 4, 5, and whatever the records, now we have got all the records because employee name is unique for all the records. Okay, if I remove this, you will get less records. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you, everyone.